Hi guys, I'm speaking about depression today. Depression as a condition is now being seen in younger and younger population. So what was considered to be a condition only suffered by the elderly is now more rampant in the 18 to 25 year olds. So in this video, I'm going to look at some of the causes of depression as seen from a constellation point of view. So in my work with family constellation, when I work with depressed clients, this is what comes up as one of the causes, and that's what I'm going to speak about today. Depression is actually a protective mechanism of the body. It is a symptom of an underlying trauma. It is also a freeze response of the body. We humans have a protective mechanism which is inbuilt into our body, and this is called the fight flight mechanism. When we are faced with any danger, the autonomic nervous system kicks in and the fight flight takes over. So there are physiological changes in the body, and the body gets ready to either fight or to flight. When the danger passes, the body comes back into a state of normalcy or a state of homeostasis. Often there are times when we do not have an option of either fight or flight, and that is when the body goes into a freeze mechanism. Some examples of a freeze response are when a child is being bullied in school. This child can either fight the bully, so he cannot fight, and he cannot flight because he's going to come back to school tomorrow and the bully is still going to be there. Other situations, for example, sudden death of a partner or loss of a child suddenly, or loss of a job where there is a loss of status, power, comfort, or the news of a fatal illness. So all of these are responses all of these are situations where we do not have a choice to either fight or flight. In all these situations, the freeze mechanism gets activated. And this freeze mechanism is what is the depression that we face today. In depression, the person feels helpless, he feels hopeless, he's unable to exercise his will to change the situation. The pressure of the situation becomes too much to handle. And the depression is actually a way to relieve that pressure. It is a protective mechanism of the body which helps the person to go into a state where he no longer needs to handle this pressure. So why is it that some people go into a depression, whereas others are able to handle the bully, able to move on, able to overcome the loss? This capacity is formed in childhood by something called our attachment relationship. When a child is born, he is completely dependent on the mother for its survival. It's only when the child is able to attach itself to the mother that the child feels safe and secure, and the child becomes aware of its own identity only through its attachment to its mother. This important attachment between the mother and the child may not form due to various reasons. It's possible that the child is born sick and has to be separated from the mother. The mother falls sick and has to be separated from the child. The mother has postpartum depression, or the mother is mourning the loss of someone dear, maybe a parent or a sibling. Maybe the parents have just separated and the mother is not emotionally available. It's possible that the mother is still grieving the loss of a previous child and is so emotionally cold towards this new baby. So there can be so many reasons that the mother is not available for the child, either physically or emotionally or both. Any separation of the child from the mother for a few days or a few weeks can cause a lot of trauma to the child. With this separation, the mother-child bond gets seriously damaged. The split-off part of the child now carries these feelings of hopelessness, helplessness, rage, and despair. It also leads to certain beliefs that the child forms about himself, maybe beliefs of being unloved, unworthy, undeserving, not important enough, not good enough. The part of the child which splits off carries these feelings, whereas the rest of the child continues to grow as normal. This split off part remains frozen in the child's psyche. So we all have these split off parts within us. We often say things like, a part of me does not agree with this, or a part of me does not feel good with this arrangement, or I don't completely agree with this situation. So we are constantly referring to these split off parts which exist in all of us. We all have a healthy process of separation from our parents. At a certain age, the child becomes an adult and separates from its parents and starts living his own life. But when this separation has been forced upon us, when this separation has happened due to reasons beyond our control, and we have split off into feelings of hopelessness and despair during this separation, it creates a permanent scar in our psyche, and it affects our ability to handle certain situations as grown-ups. So when the separation has caused a trauma, in certain situations we tend to go back to our feelings of helplessness, hopelessness, despair. So we go into a state of depression. When we work with constellations for depression, we go back to the split off part of the personality which still holds the trauma. That part of the personality remains frozen in the traumatic experience of the past. When the adult of today revisits that incident, he is able to process it very differently with the maturity that he has as an adult. With constellation therapy, we heal the split off part of the client and reintegrate it back into the client. So now the client is more present in his adult state. At the same time, we also help the client to establish the attachment relationship with the mother, which he could not do in his childhood. So the client now forms a loving attachment to the mother and has the resource of having the mother's love and support in his life. This enables the client to then handle situations in a different manner, knowing internally that he has the love and support of his mother in his life. I hope you found the information that I shared in this video useful. I would love to hear your comments. Please do like the video and subscribe to my channel. And I would really appreciate it if you could share forward this video to others who might find it useful. Thank you.